Hello students, today we will study the next topic of chapter number 6 standard 9 lines and angles. So till now we have studied about the types of the angles, then we solve the exercise that is 6.1 that is related to there is a line and one of the ray is stand on it. So basically we use here the what we use till now, we use the linear path, right? That concept we have used here. But now let us study the next topic, right? And that is what the parallel lines and a transversal. That is the next topic that we have to study. So first of all, we know about the parallel lines, but this word transversal is new for you. So let us understand what is the meaning of this transversal. So transversal is nothing but a line. But which kind of line? The line which intersects the two lines, that is called the transversal. So here let us suppose there is a two line M and N are parallel to each other. And third line N that intersects both the lines M and N. Then this line L is called the transversal. Okay, so this is the two parallel lines and one of the transversal. So now see, when a transversal intersects the two parallel lines, how many angles are formed here? Total 8 angles are formed here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 angles are formed here. So there are relations between these angles. So which kind of relations are there in between these angles, that we have to study. First of all, let us understand exterior angles. So which angles are called the exterior angles? See, this angle 1 and 2, they are here, and 7 and 8. These angles are downside of this line. These angles are upside of the line. This 7 and 8 are the downside of the line M. So these angles are, we can say that the exterior angles, because they are not inside of this both the lines M and N. They are on the exterior part. So we can say that the angle 1, 2, 8 and 7 are the exterior angles. So we can say that here exterior angles we can write down that angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. So this angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. So these are the angles which are the exterior angles. Okay. Now what are the interior angles? See, these angles 3, 4 and 5, 6 are in between these two lines M and N. So these 4 angles are called the interior angles. So see, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. These 4 angles are the interior angles. So this is what basically we define angles, exterior and interior. Now let us study how the relation there is a relation between these angles. So different types of relations we have to study. First is the corresponding angles. Now which angle out of these 8 angles we can say that are the corresponding angles? See, the angles here, angle 2 and angle 6. Angle 2 and angle 6 are, we can say, making a pair of corresponding angles. And the corresponding angles have the same value. So here we can write down that angle 2 is equals to angle 6. These two angles are the corresponding angles. In the same way, here also we can see that 3 and 7. Angle 3 and angle 7 are also making a pair of corresponding angles. And they both have the same value. This is we say about only the right hand side of the transversal. Now see the left hand side of the transversal. Here also there is angle 1 and 5. 1 and 5 are also making the pair of corresponding angles. So angle 1 is equals to angle 5. So both these angles are also equal. In the same way, 4 and 8. Angle 4 and angle A. Both these angles are also equal, and both these angles are also called the corresponding angles. So this much, these are the all about the corresponding angles. So now it is clear to you, the 2, 6, 3, 7, 1, 5 and 4, 8 are the corresponding angles. Now the next type is of alternate interior angles. See, the word here used is interior, and we know that the interior angles are 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in between these four angles, there are some relations, and that are called the alternate interior angles. So see, alternate means if we consider the angle number 4, then 6 is called the alternate, because one of the angle is at the left hand side and one is at the right hand side. So here there is a pair of alternate interior angles, that is angle 4 is equals to angle 6. Now see, let us see why these two angles are equal. See, according to the corresponding angles, these 2 and 6 are equal. Angle 2 and angle 6 are equal, right? Now we know that these 2 and 4 are what? 2 and 4 are the vertically opposite angles. So 2 and 4 are also equal, that we have studied about the vertically opposite angles. So if 2 and 4 are equal, then we can say that 4 and 6 are also equal, right? Now you can think about the second pair of these alternate interior angles. If we consider the angle number 3, then see, 3 and 7 are the corresponding angle, and 5 and 7 are what? Vertical opposite angles. 3 and 7 are equal, 5 and 7 are also equal. So 3 and 5, we can say that they are also equal. So these are the pair of the alternate interior angles, and their values are also right. Now next one is alternate exterior angles. So see, exterior angles are 1, 2, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 7 and 8. So here also we have to define the relation between these two angles. So let's suppose first of all we consider the angle number angle 1. So which angle will be the equal? See, angle 1 is here and angle 8, 5 is here. So 1 and 5 are what? 1 and 5 are the corresponding angles. 5 and 7 are vertical opposite angles. That means 1 is equals to 5, 5 is equals to 7. That means 1 and 7 are also equal. So angle 1 and angle 7 are making a pair of alternate exterior angles. In the same way, now consider angle number 2. So see, angle 2 and angle 6. 2 and 6 are the corresponding angles, they are equal. Now 6 and 8 are also equal because they are vertically opposite angles. So 2 is equals to 6, 6 is equals to 8. That means 2 and 8 are also making a pair of alternate exterior angles. Okay, so now let us see the next type, that is of consecutive interior angles, or we can say that the co-interior angles, right? So these angles are what? The angles interior. See, interior, that means we have to consider only 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now out of this 3 and 5 are called the alternate interior angles. 3 and 5. So now 3 and 4. Consider this 3 and 6. Angle number 3 and angle number 6. See, here both these angles are not equal, but their addition will be 180 degree, right? The addition will be the 180 degree because they are on the same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal, and they are the interior angles. So the addition of these two angles will be 180 degree. In the same way, 4 and 5. Angle 4 plus angle 5. Here also 4 and 5, the addition will be the 180 degree. Because they are on the same side of the transversal. 4 and 5 are the left hand side of the transversal, and 3 and 6 are the angles which are on the right hand side of the transversal. So these angles, when we add, we get the total is equals to 180. Okay, so these all are the different kinds of the angles that we have to keep in mind. Based on this, we will solve the exercise. We have to do the theorems. So these all things you have to keep in mind, right? So this is all about the parallel lines and a transversal. Okay, this is all about this lecture. Thank you.